If LDPlayer is lagging, dropping FPS, or just running slow on your PC, yeah, let's fix that and boost your performance properly. First, make sure virtualization is enabled. This is the biggest performance boost. Go into your BIOS and turn on Intel VT-X or AMD-V. Next, optimize LDPlayer's internal settings. Set CPU cores to at least 2 or 4 and RAM to around 4 to 8 gigabytes depending on your system. Now increase the FPS cap. Set it to 60 or higher if your PC can handle it. Graphics mode matters a lot. Try switching between OpenGL and DirectX to see which runs smoother on your system. Turn on high performance mode. This prioritizes speed over battery or power saving. Outdated drivers can kill performance. Update your graphics drivers to the latest version. Free up your system resources. Close unnecessary apps and browser tabs. If you have a dedicated GPU, use it. Assign LDPlayer to high-performance graphics in your system settings. Finally, adjust your game settings. Lower resolution or graphics quality for smoother FPS. So, enable virtualization, optimize settings, update drivers, and reduce system load. That's how you boost LDPlayer FPS and fix lag in 2026.